So I wanted to do a video about the Spaguts Spa Pack controller and the accessories that come with it. The motor doesn't come with it, but the cord here does. And I basically had no idea what Spaguts was or who Spaguts was, or it sounds sort of hokey and it didn't seem particularly quality, but it seemed, but the price was right. And I just want to make this video saying that it's actually Balboa heater board and very high quality. And the reviews I read kind of sounded like they didn't provide enough information to set this up, but I kind of find the opposite's true. I have instructions for setting it up as 220 and setting it up as 110. I'll scan down here, so if you want to stop the video and read it, you can. It's all very detailed and straightforward. It comes with a paper on the initial startup, how to operate the control pad here, as well as error codes, diagnostics. I am pretty happy with what I received here. Comes with a new light, another cord I think for the ozone. My spa is very, very basic. It's basically a heater. There's no ozone. There's a single pump with 2 speeds. Let's see here, the back of the board here tells you how to set it up for 110 operation or 220. It's very straightforward. I think it comes from the factory set up for 220. Setting it up for 110 looks very simple. It's right here. This correlates with the board in a very clear way. Everything's very high quality. I have to say I'm totally happy with this. This was like $400 or something. It's got the 5 kilowatt heater, and this actually was a question I had, whether it would provide. I have a square large control pad on the hot tub now, and this completely solves that problem. This will just fit right through there and create a new background for the controller. I guess I wanted to make this video so that people who were contemplating getting a Spaguts would feel the confidence to do it. I mean, this is the basic model because I don't need I don't have 2 pumps, and I don't need an ozone or an air bubbleator, whatever they're called. I just need hot water and some jets. So this thing was the ticket, and it's just very nicely made. And I'd recommend, if you have any hesitations about getting a Spaguts controller, to go for it. Very, very nice quality. So here's the old opening for this hot tub. Here's the new overlay, and then this new controller will fit right inside of there. Pretty nifty. Hardest part is getting this backing off the sticky. So I actually used a razor blade to just poke a hole and then lift up. Alrighty, finally. Press this down. And there you go. New controller. Pretty awesome, actually. On this hot tub, it does not have far to travel. So for the VS300, the basic pack here, this is how I have it set up for 240. Got the ground, hot, neutral. For 110, there is a jumper that goes from, here up to there. That's removed because this is 240. Got the pump plugged in here. Got the lights plugged in there. I don't have an air pump or an ozone. So down there at the bottom right, where I have that circling the 240, it says it's manufactured to be set up as 240 with ozone. I don't have ozone, so I don't think that'll matter, but it is set up for 240 and I'm running 240, so double check that if you buy one of these just to make sure they're all the same. So I've got the pump, light, mini control panel. These are the temperature sensors there. This is the heater. Those are not, you don't want to touch those if you take this off and the power's on. 240. Ground. Switch bank. And all of those correlate to this. There's the mini panel. Here's the mini panel. How to set up the switch bank. How to set it up for 240, 110. Schematic there. It's all pretty straightforward. So we're ready for the initial startup. Water's in, panel's in. It says to, when you start it, when you put the power on, it will enter priming mode. And during the priming mode, press Jets button repeatedly. This should last 5 to 7 minutes. Where's Jets? Oh, okay, so we'll press this repeatedly. And then priming mode lasts less than 5 minutes. Press temp to exit. Where's temp? I don't have a temp, so it says after priming mode, the spall will run in standard mode. Some panels may not have a temp button. On these panels, the panels that set warm or cool buttons are used. So I do have a cool and a warm button. All right, hit the power.
It's on.
Okay. Well. Oh, PR, there's the PR. Oh yeah. How long between these I'm supposed to press the jets, but I'll just keep doing it. easy and perfect. No leaks. That's another speed. Oh, that's high speed. That's off. Low speed. Okay, that works. It's nice and gentle. High speed. Off. All right. Low speed. High speed. Off. Oh, no thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations on your success.
Thank you.
Looks like a moving hot tub up there.
It does. It's gonna be. It is. I think it's primed. I don't think we have air lock situation. I think we've got. I think we have. The pump fully hydrated, I guess you might say. So let's try hitting. Is this PR still? Let's try hitting this. Oh, let's turn that off. Now 98. Now the jets come on. Oh, this is the circulation, the automatic, and it's probably heating. Let's 98. Let's go for 10. Let's go for 103. Okay. Probably register how much, or probably register what the temperature is. Let's try the light. No, it works. So to set the temperature on this panel, change the set temperature, press a temperature button. To change the set temperature, press a temperature button again before the display stops flashing. Each press of warm or cool will adjust the set temperature. Oh, so yeah, it's 53 degrees out and it's 53 degrees in my hot tub. So you can change it to Celsius down on the switch bank down there, but seeing as I'm in the States, we use Fahrenheit. So it's working.